Welcome to the Texas Recovery Ordered Housing Network. This help video is specifically for TROHN members, housing providers that with a username and password can log on and self-post and manage their own housing ads. Let's go over to the sign-in. And so our housing provider is nicknamed Demo Providers. They would enter their password and click Login. So this takes you into your dashboard, which is kind of the behind-the-scenes working area for the different users. So you can see it's Howdy Demo Provider. That's our user. If you wanted to look at your profile or log out, that's where you would see that. Let's go all the way down and focus in on classifieds. Classifieds is what we're calling your housing ad. So you're posting a housing classifieds. Let's click on that. And you can see that you can create a new. You have your active ads. So we've already created Demo House 1 and Demo House 2. We've got saved ads, so you can create a draft. You don't automatically have to post something. You can create it, resculpt it before actually making it public. And then here it says ended ads. So you notice that this column we have expiration date. In the future, we are going to require housing providers to periodically log on and update and extend the duration of the ad. Duration is how long the ad lasts. You can think of it as an egg timer. So if an ad surpasses the expiration date, for instance, for this one, October 21st, on October 21st or October 22nd, this particular ad would end up down here, and so it would require a housing provider to update it or republish in the action section. For now, we're asking people not to define their duration, such as this example right here. So from this area, you can edit your ad. You can see here's the back end of what that looks like. You would give it a name. You've got a lot of different tools to make things look fancy here. In the description area, you've got ample room to add all types of stuff. This right here is if you wanted to embed some media. If you're familiar with HTML, that's the code right there. Let's go back to the what you see is what you get visual. See lots and lots of room to add all types of information about your house and really merchandise it. Coming back down here, and the custom fields, that's the duration that we were talking about. The duration of this particular ad, we're asking you to not put any duration now. In the future, we will ask you to select a duration. And here's the cost. For instance, $6.50 per month. There's an excerpt section, where you would type, 120 characters, 150 character summary of the demo house. And then it's also important to add the different meta tags. These is what's going to get you in the search results, both within the site and across the World Wide Web. You can add various tags, such as this one has covered parking. I would focus on adding tags that you don't see in the other vocabularies, and let's take a look at those vocabularies now. So we have the categories vocabulary. These are the different types of houses. This particular ad is a recovery house versus boarding, public housing, or supportive house. The different populations. This is the populations that the program is specifically designed for, who is eligible for this particular house. That type of information. So this is a recovery home for women. We could also say that people applying need to have at least 30 days or more days of sobriety. This is in Austin, Texas. And then the credibility vocabulary needs to be expanded, but that's the type of memberships, awards, certifications, licensures that a particular house might have. And then some houses may only take certain types of payment, whether it be cash, credit cards, Social Security, vouchers, etc. Let's scroll back up. And since we did change some stuff on this profile, I'm going to click Update. While we're here, let's also take a look at the visibility. This is made public, and the status is published. You can change that from this area as well as move it to the trash or delete it. So let's take a look at the classified that we just did. So this is going to be the public's view of the site and of your specific profile. So you can see there is Demo House 1 posted by Demo Provider, which is this current account that we're logged into. Here are all the different tags that we've used. This is great for search engine optimization as well as within the site, helping your potential residents find you. This is when we posted it. This is how they would contact you. The descriptions, including that virtual tour, that slideshow that we embedded in there. And down here is also the price. So let's click back over to this tab to look at the back end and click on Classifieds. Remember, this is called your dashboard area. So let's click on Classifieds. And let's create a new ad by clicking this button right here. Okay, we're going to call this Demo House 3. And this is where you would put all the information describing Demo House 3. We'll scroll down. Remember, right now we're not using this duration. We're going to say it is 125 or 120 per week, and this is a 120 characters summary of the house. In this area, let's say we'll say that it's wheelchair access. See if I can spell that right. We are going to say this is public housing. And there is no sobriety requirement. And this is for men in El Paso. And we don't have any credibility tags to use. We'll say that they take both cash and Social Security. Let's publish that. You can see what we've got going on here. This is the public's view with all the information that we posted in there. So let's see if it's in the housing directory. So if a user didn't know what type of house they want, they could go to the help desk and we would give them kind of a step-by-step explanation of how to choose the house they want. Since we know what we're searching for, let's go straight to the directory. There's a lot of different drop downs, but let's specifically look for that public housing ad that we just posted. Hit search, and boom, there's Demo House 3. Click on Demo House 3, and there's your ad. One last thing I want to point out, since we are logged in as the user demo provider, here is kind of the dashboard menu up here. This is where you can edit your profile or log out, go directly to your dashboard. You could quickly edit your classifieds, add a new blog post or a classified post, and see comments. So let's edit classified, and it takes you right to the demo house. Click this, takes you back to the front end, and we'll go ahead and log out. This concludes the tutorial for housing providers. Look on TROHN's help desk for other helpful videos, and we'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.